Everyone. In this video, we are going to understand how to use where condition with and or and not operators. Okay, how are we going to use this? So whenever you write a query with where statement, you can combine that statement using any of these operators. So how it is going to be? So before I go to that, let me explain you one simple example. Let us say if you see here, I have a table select star from employee. So now if I run this program, I'll be able to see the details which are there for the current employee table. See here, you have ID, employee name, employee age and city. So now I wanted to retrieve a query with the employee with the name Pavan and the city Hyderabad. So if I wanted to fetch that query, so if you use select star from employee, it will display everything. Now, if I wanted to display with some specific condition, then how are we going to do? So you are going to use where employee name is equal to Pavan in single quotes and then employee city will be writing as Hyderabad. Now you run the query and see what is going to happen. So it will display that particular record. So this is how you will be able to execute the query using AND condition. So now if you go back and execute only select star from employee, it will display all the records. Hope you understand the syntax. So what would be the syntax for this where condition along with the and or? So you are going to write the select star from the table name and then where you are going to write the condition. So whatever the number of conditions you wanted to write, you can write those many conditions. So I have written two conditions. One is employee name and employee city. Now next one, what I wanted to do is I wanted to, so when you see and statement, when you say and statement, let us say I wanted to check employee name and then employee city. So if you are using and statement, it will be true when both the statements are true. That means when both employee name and employee city, both of them are satisfied, then only it will pull that information. For example, if you are using or condition, if any one of them is available, for example, either this employee name or employee city, then that record will be displayed. So, okay, I'm repeating again. For example, if I write employee name and employee city, look at here, employee name is equal to Pawan and employee city is equal to Hyderabad. Now what I am going to do, if I execute this query, what is going to happen? See. So if I run this program, it will display only Pawan Hyderabad record only. Now that means employee name should be Pawan, employee city should be Hyderabad. Both must be true. Then only this will get executed. Now, if I say or statement, what will happen? If I give or statement here, it will display employees with the name Pawan or employee cities with Hyderabad. It does not necessarily satisfy both the conditions at a time true. Okay, now what is going to happen? Just have a look. If I run this program, see how many records are getting displayed. If you run this program, see there is many records are getting displayed. See, Pawan, employee name Pawan got satisfied and Hyderabad. So employee name Pawan, Hyderabad. So it got displayed. Next one, employee name Ramu, but employee city Hyderabad. That means Hyderabad. This is satisfied. So this condition is satisfied. That's the reason this record also displayed. Now the last one, employee name Raja, but not it is not Pawan and Hyderabad. So that means if one of the condition is satisfied, then the record is pulled. That is the difference between and or. Okay, so and means both the conditions whatever you give, then only that record will be pulled. You can give as many conditions as you want, but when you are giving or condition, if one of the condition is true, then it will pull the record. And the next one you are going to look at is not. Not means it will say like you are not going to display that particular record. So that means whenever you use not statement, it will display when the condition is not true. So let me say select star from employee name. Sorry, table name is employee where you are going to write anyone you can take. Okay, so I'm going to take employee city or something where not employee name is equal to Pavan. See now if you look at this, it will display all the records where the employee name is not Pavan. So now run the query and see what is going to happen. See here, it does not display the name of the employee with Pavan, but it has displayed all other employees. Similarly, if at all you wanted to write the same query where the city name is not Hyderabad, you can write employee city Hyderabad. You can write like that. You can write like this, and then see it will not display the employee city with Hyderabad. It will display all other cities. Query and execute it and then see what is going to happen. See, it has displayed only the people from the city which is not Hyderabad. Okay. So now what we are going to do is you can combine couple of statements also. That means what we are going to do is we are going to write one query with the combination. Now we will see one more thing. Select star from employee where employee city is equal to Hyderabad. Okay. So now what I am trying to do, I am combining and or both the statements. Okay. So where employee city is equal to Hyderabad and employee name is equal to Pavan and employee age is equal to 35. Now if you run this program, see what is going to happen. Run the query and see, you will see the record where the employee city is equal to Hyderabad and the employee name Pavan and age 35. So now if you wanted to put another query, just see what all the records are available in the employee table, then we will try to write one more query. So you can add as many queries as you want based upon the requirement. First, you need to understand the statement and based on that you can write the query. See here now, if you look at the employee table consists of all of these. Now if I write the same query, whatever we have written at the bottom. So now if I write employee city, I'm going to write employee city Mumbai, Mumbai, and employee name, I'm going to write Pavan or age is equal to 38. I will write. Okay. See the difference. If you look at here, employee name Pavan and city Mumbai. Do we have any record? Because we don't have any record with Mumbai city and Pavan name, but we have a record with age 38. See here, 38 age Mumbai is there. Now if I run this query, because this condition is true, and out of these two, one of the condition is true. That is employee age 38 is true. Now if you run this program, automatically it will display the employee with the city Mumbai and age 38, even though the employee name Pawan is not there. Since we have used or condition, then it will display this record. So this is how you will be getting questions in the interview, and they might ask you any question of any category, and you just need to think and understand what can be incorporated. And now if you look at this table one more time, run the query and see what is going to happen here. Select star from employee. If you see, these are the cities available. Now I wanted to see the city which is not Hyderabad and which is not Bangalore, okay, or Mumbai, whatever you want. So now select star from employee where not employee city is equal to Hyderabad and not employee city is equal to, let us say I'm giving Mumbai. What does it mean? That means it should not display the records of Hyderabad and Mumbai. That means Hyderabad records should not be displayed and Mumbai records should not be displayed. Now you run the program and see what is going to happen. Run this program and see. It will display the cities with the other city names. See, Bangalore names have come. So now you may get a question. No, I don't want to see the records. I just wanted to see how many number of cities are there with the not condition. That means in that case, you already know you can use count star statement. Count star will provide you the number of records with the specific condition. Whatever the number of records you are trying to pull, those many number of, that means two records should come. So that is what you will be getting. So you need to understand all these concepts and consolidate wherever it is required, and you can make use of your own queries. So this is how you will be making use of and condition, or condition, and then not operators while using where condition. This is also one of the important topic for your interview.